GameMaker versus Unreal Engine. Choosing the right game engine can transform your game development experience, boosting creativity without overwhelming complexity. GameMaker offers simplicity, while Unreal Engine delivers power and advanced features. GameMaker and Unreal Engine are popular game development platforms with distinct approaches. GameMaker focuses on ease of use and 2D game creation, while Unreal Engine targets high-end 3D graphics and complex projects. The core difference lies in accessibility versus advanced capabilities. GameMaker is a user-friendly game engine primarily designed for 2D game development. It uses a drag-and-drop interface combined with its scripting language, GML, allowing developers to create games without extensive coding knowledge. This makes it ideal for beginners and indie developers aiming to build games quickly and efficiently. GameMaker supports exporting to multiple platforms including Windows, Mac, mobile, and consoles, making it versatile for smaller projects. Its strengths lie in rapid prototyping, ease of learning, and a supportive community. However, GameMaker has limitations when it comes to 3D graphics and large-scale projects, as it lacks the advanced rendering and physics capabilities found in more robust engines. It's best suited for developers focused on 2D games, or those new to game development who want to bring ideas to life without steep technical demands. Unreal Engine is a powerful and versatile game engine developed by Epic Games, widely used for creating high-fidelity 3D games and interactive experiences. It features a robust visual scripting system called Blueprints, alongside full C++ source code access, catering to both artists and programmers. Unreal Engine excels in delivering cutting-edge graphics, realistic physics, and complex gameplay mechanics, making it the choice for AAA studios and ambitious indie developers alike. The engine supports a vast range of platforms, from PC and consoles to VR and mobile devices. Its strengths include photorealistic rendering, scalability, and extensive toolsets for animation, AI, and networking. On the downside, Unreal Engine has a steeper learning curve and requires more powerful hardware and development resources. It's ideal for developers aiming to create immersive 3D worlds or high-end games with detailed visuals and advanced interactivity. Comparing GameMaker and Unreal Engine highlights a clear trade-off between simplicity and power. GameMaker is perfect for quick 2D game development, allowing creators to focus on gameplay without deep programming skills. It's suited for small teams or solo developers targeting mobile or indie platforms. Unreal Engine, by contrast, is built for large-scale, visually stunning 3D games. It demands more technical expertise and resources, but rewards with unmatched graphical fidelity and complex system support. For example, a casual platformer is best built in GameMaker, while a realistic first-person shooter or VR experience benefits from Unreal's capabilities. Choosing between them depends on your project scope, team size, and technical comfort. GameMaker is recommended for beginners and indie developers focused on 2D games who want an intuitive, fast, and accessible development environment. Unreal Engine is the top choice for developers seeking advanced 3D graphics, scalability, and comprehensive tools for complex projects. If your goal is immersive, high-quality games with technical depth, Unreal Engine offers unmatched power and flexibility to bring your vision to life.